Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are at the most popular and famous project in Panvel. We are at the Hiranandani Fortune City. So we will be talking about this project in complete details. I'm very excited to share each and every detail with you all. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Fortune Series, because Fortune Series is one of the most trusted channel partner in Navi Mumbai. We guarantee lowest price at no compromise. And also click on the bell icon so that you get all the latest updates and notifications. Hiranandani is spread across 588 acres and they have already launched phase 1 and phase 2, where 1200 plus families are staying there. As you can see, right now we are launching phase 3. As you can see, full swing से यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. So this is phase 3 जो अभी आपने देखा उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. Soon we will be launching phase 3 and जैसे कि मैंने कहा phase 1 and phase 2 already launch हो गया है. Phase 3 का जो नाम है वो है Golden Willows and this is a land parcel which is spread across 11.11 acres. So phase 3 is spread across 11.11 acres. Yes, phase 3 का जो land parcel है वो है 11.11 acre का, जहाँ पर आपको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मिलता है 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK का भी, और यहाँ पर जोड़ी फ्लैट्स भी अवेलेबल है. सो यस, इन टॉवर्स में आपको 9 टॉवर्स मिलेंगी इस फेज में. हियर यू गेट इन फेज 3 यू गेट 9 टॉवर्स of 38 story and you will be enjoying 70 plus luxurious amenities. The main USP of Hiranandani Fortune City Panvel is that the second largest data center, YOTA, named as YOTA, is just 5 minutes away from here. As you can see, that is the data center named as YOTA, which is the second largest data center. सारी अम्यूनिटीज़ आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो. सारी अम्यूनिटीज़ आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से दी गई है. सारी अम्यूनिटीज़ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली डिज़ाइन की है, अलाइन की है. Here you get beautiful luxurious amenities, 70 plus luxurious amenities such as party hall, you get a banquet hall, you get swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, everything is covered over here. आप यहाँ का सराउंडिंग देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही विंडी है, बहुत हवा खिलखिलाती रहती है यहाँ पर. और यहाँ का सराउंडिंग देखिए, बहुत ही नेचर सिचुएटेड प्रोजेक्ट है ये, ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. अभी ऐसा है मॉनसून में कितना प्रिटी लगेगा. और हम भी खुद यहाँ से जब लोनावला से जाते हैं इन टॉवर्स पे हमारी नज़र जाती ही जाती है. इन टॉवर्स को आप देख लीजिए, ये टॉवर्स इटसेल्फ बहुत प्रीमियम और एलाइट लगते हैं. Talking about connectivity from this project, you get a great access to Pune, Lonavala, Navi Mumbai, Mumbai, because Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 25 minutes away from here, which is an upcoming international airport, and Mumbai Pune Expressway is just 2 minutes away from here. From here you get a great access to Atal Setu. Atal Setu bridge is just 25 to 30 minutes away from here. Panvel railway station is just 15-20 minutes away from here. Hiranandani also provide you one shuttle bus service for Panvel railway station. For daily necessities, D-Mart, Orient Mall, Reliance Mall is just 15-20 minutes away from here. Whereas Karjat is just 14 kilometers away from here. And whereas Lonavala, Khandala is just 30-34 kilometers away from here. Best schools and hospitals you get in the nearby vicinity. Also, Hiranandani अपना खुद का school provide कर रहे हैं in the township, so your kids can study in the township itself. So let's get inside the sample flat. This is a 4 BHK sample flat where the carpet area of the sample flat is 1630 to 1650. You get two options over here for 4 BHK. One is 1630 to 1650. It can go up to 1650, and the other one is 1930 to 1950. So let's get inside. So once you enter from here, this is the entrance. Once you enter from here, on the left hand side you get your guest bedroom. You can call this as a guest bedroom, or else you can keep it as your kids bedroom as well, or else common bedroom. Anything is possible over here. So this is your guest bedroom, where the layout of the bedroom is 11 by 14.6. You get a nice big size of wardrobe over here. You can keep your wardrobe, you can keep your closet over here. This is a beautifully designed bedroom because this is very spacious, very spacious. The carpet area is very spacious. This is the bed area. You also get a beautiful size of keeping your side tables. You are getting a good size to keep your side tables. You can place your TV over here. This is your TV unit, and this is your beautiful French window for ventilation and everything. This is very beautiful design, and this is the washroom of your guest bedroom. This is the washroom. Once you enter, you are getting this beautiful sink design, this marble sink over here, and you're also getting the partition. This is your bathing area, and this is your commode area. So this is your first guest bedroom. This is the entrance of the 4 BHK, where the carpet area is 1630 to 1650, as you can see. So this is our entrance of the house, and once we enter, we get our magnificent and spacious size of living room. This is the sitting area where you can chill and watch TV. This is your dining area where you can do your lunch and dinner and breakfast with your family. आराम से यहाँ पर 8 to 10 people can sit here and have lunch nicely. As you can see, this is a magnificent size of living room, where the living area dimension is, the layout of the living area is 21 by 16, and you also get a beautiful balcony with an amazing view. So this is your balcony. This is your huge balcony, as you can see. This is your beautiful balcony, and the balcony layout is 13 by 5. The balcony layout is 13 by 5. Here you can sit and have nice tea and coffee. You can enjoy your breakfast over here with an amazing beautiful view. So this was your balcony. Right in front of the living room, you get your beautiful balcony. This is your nice and beautiful sitting area, your dining area. So this is the first common bedroom. They have designed it as a drawing room or else study, but you can design it in your own way. You can also make it as a kids bedroom or else guest bedroom. Anything works over here. So the layout of this beautiful bedroom is 10 by 12, where you get a beautiful French window. This is your French side window, and as you can see, everything you get here, like the tiles are non-skid tiles. This is a beautiful house with a beautiful view. So let's go and check next thing. So this is the next thing, which is your common washroom. This is a beautiful common washroom. As you can see, you are getting a platform over here, a sink platform. This is not the part of the project, but this is the part of the project. You are getting a beautiful marble platform over here. These are the tiles you will be getting. Same tiles and same mirrors, same partition. Everything is going to be the same. This is your commode area, and this is your bathing area. Non-skid tiles you're getting in the bathroom, and this is your kitchen. This is a beautiful spacious kitchen. As you can see, you can place your washing machine also here. You are getting a drying balcony. As you can see, this is a beautiful drying balcony, because you are getting a huge size of drying balcony over here. You can place your oven over here. This is your fridge area. This is your kitchen. This is an L-shaped platform kitchen. The whole marbles, यहाँ पे जो भी marbles है, जो भी platform है, same ऐसे ही होगा in 4 BHK. So this is the modular kitchen. ये भी आपको मिलने वाला है. This is also be the part of your project. You're getting the same thing. You are not getting this area. This is not the part of the project. They are not giving this. But yes, you are getting this beautiful modular kitchen over here. The sink area. So this is your magnificent size of kitchen, L-shaped kitchen, where the dimension of the kitchen is 10.3 by 11.6, as you can see. And this is your drying balcony. This is the drying balcony. You can keep your washing machine or dishwasher over here. You get a French window over here just for the good ventilation. The drying balcony layout is 6 by 3.6. So let's move ahead. So this is your passage. Once you come out from the kitchen, this is your passage area. On this side, you get a beautiful puja room. You can call this as a puja room as well. This is your puja room. If you want, you can also keep it as anything, like if you want to keep it as a puja room, you can keep it as a puja room, or else you can put a nice painting over here. And on the opposite side, you get your kids bedroom area. This is your kids bedroom, where this is your closet. You get a magnificent size of closet over here. And this is the kids bedroom. So right now we have designed it in this way. You can design it in your own way. You can design your own dream house, as you know. And this is the French window which you get over here. And right opposite to that, you get your bathroom. This is your kids bedroom bathroom. Same thing. This is your partition for bathing. This is the sink platform, and this is your commode area. You are getting this sink platform in every bathroom over here. So this was your beautiful size of kids bedroom. As you can see, the height of this rooms are magnificent. The height you can see is very beautiful. They have maintained it very nicely. You are getting this space over here, and right in front of that comes your puja room, as I mentioned. And after the puja room, this is your beautiful, magnificent and spacious size of your master bedroom. This is your walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet over here. So this is your walk-in closet. This is your walk-in wardrobe. Yes, you are getting a walk-in wardrobe over here, जिसका dimension होगा 6 by 5.2. This is your magnificent size of walk-in wardrobe. And this is your master bedroom ka master washroom. This is a beautifully designed master washroom. You get two sinks over here. This is your sink platform. Same partition for the bathroom. You're getting mirrors as well. You're getting same kind of tiles over here, marble tiles. You're getting non-skid tiles over here. And this is the bathroom area. This is your commode area, and this is your sink platform area. And right in front of that, you get your walk-in wardrobe. This was your walk-in wardrobe, and right beside that you get your master bedroom. This is your massive size of master bedroom. As you can see, this is a beautifully designed master bedroom. Again, you are getting a big size of closet over here. You can assemble it in this way. You can also keep a closet over here. This is your TV area. You get beautiful size. The size of the master bedroom is 11.6 by 15.6. This is your bedroom. As you can see, a huge king size of bedroom you can place over here. So this is your master bedroom's master balcony. This is your beautifully balcony. The layout of the balcony is 7 by 5. This is your beautifully designed balcony where you can enjoy your tea, you can enjoy your evening coffee, you can enjoy your sunrise, sunset. This is a beautiful concept, and this is your master bedroom. So beautiful. You can see the size of the bedroom, the height of the bedroom is so magnificent. It's so beautiful. We have designed it in this way. You can design your dream house in your own way. So this was a tour of your 4 BHK, where the carpet area of this 4 BHK is 1630 to 1650. And I really hope you guys have liked the video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want us to visit any projects, if you want us to visit any sites, and if you want us to shoot a video for that particular project, we will try our best. Do not forget to subscribe us for more latest updates of real estate. The ID of our Instagram, I have mentioned it in the description, so do not forget to follow us on Instagram as well, so that you don't miss anything precious. Thank you so much for watching this video.